Yes, I. Morning, everybody. You know, already in St. Martin. Today is tropical storm Fiona. We have a lot of waters, and strong, well, not so strong wind, but you know already how it is. You get a little effect. You know, you can always count on Suki for Suki to be open. Suki in time of rescue. Yes, we outside. You don't know already. It's your boy, kswiss, your hustle. Today is the 17th of September. You know, it's a very rainy day. Yes, too. I go. Another rainy day. Today is the 17th and Fiona's. It's in the cloud of bias, so the clouds grey. Yeah, look like we'll get another portion of rain today again. Yep. Hey yo, the rain coming back down as you can see. Yeah, I think I can head back home. Yeah, rain in St. Martin. Don't know really how the weather stay. Today I am talking about Fiona.
I'm meteorologist Brian Shields. Thank you to all the new subscribers.
You know, tropical storm Fiona.
Everyone matters with.
I saw some footage on my phone, and trust me, some places get bad. The water did a lot of damage, you know, especially in the neighboring islands, Guadeloupe and Martinique. From what I understand, yeah. I didn't hear any loss of life, so that's good. Some other places get a lot of rain, like St. Martin, Dominica, got a lot of rain, you understand? But I hope everything get back normal for the neighboring countries like Guadeloupe and Martinique, because, you know, easy. That just reminds me of Maria, you know, the 17th of August, I think, yeah. I know the 17th of September 2022, Fiona come and do damage. Yep. Well, me, I had to phone myself too. I take it in the rain today. No, I didn't take it in the rain. Self. Yeah, you know.
Hey! Right now, I'm having a little shower in the rain. I'm in the rain, baby. Respect Region Suki, baby. We're not baby running on the line. We're not baby running on the line. Fiona rain.
Okay, you're setting the floor up. Viva there! Everything's white. Another portion coming. So it's going to give me some footage of how things went through Fiona, some footage I get. You need real vibes, vlog, anything, you know it is already now it's set to the way inside. It's a rainy day, you know. Anyways, boom. Yeah, you can see there the water rising, you know, people's tires over the water, you don't know. Yeah, and see that's very crucial.
Oui. Gè l'État chimè cette mari. Maman. Gè j'aime ta décalé tout chimè là. C'est wati par là. Chimè krasé. Goudron levé.
Ouais. Non. Monsieur, mais quoi, tu l'as pas fait comme petit là. Bonjour. J'avais déjà ça me va aussi. C'est une petite avance. Je ne mets pas mon sac là. Ouais. Tu veux bien. Ça va? Carole, mon Dieu, s'il vous plaît, non! Mon Dieu! Mon Dieu! Oh là là! Oh là là!
Le pont de Saint-Clair à Goyave fut
Ti mal gen sa, men gen sa ou les gens. Gen sa ou ti mal. Ti mal. Mais ça manger toute banane là, gen ça, mais gen l'argent de Dieu là, rasta. Ti mal, gen pour là, monsieur. Gen pour là.
En danger! Il y a de l'eau, nous va pas là. Il y a de l'eau à la rivière là. Là, tu vois. On m'a revoiti là, là. Il y a de l'eau, au-delà de là. Là, tu vois. Il y a chemin là. Il y a chemin là, tu vois.
A back wall. The strongest back wall. That's what we got. I don't think it's there a month up.